everybody, I am Preeti, you are watching Boldsky. Today we are going to present you bitter gourd juice for diabetes as well as weight loss. Bitter gourds are also called as bitter melons, Kerala in Hindi and Hagalkai in Kannada. Bitter gourd is one natural medicine for diabetes. Drinking it early morning on an empty stomach helps reducing your sugar level, and also it helps reducing possibilities of diabetes and diabetes health related complications such as heart disease, weight gain, high blood pressure and high cholesterol level, etc. But it is one of the most widely cultivated vegetable in India. Because of its water content, people are using it widely in summer. Do you know one thing? 84 to 90% of bitter gourd's weight is just water. It has got that water content in it, and bitter gourd is also rich in vitamins, minerals and iron, magnesium, calcium and vitamin C in it. And bitter gourd is also rich in dietary fibers which will help you in losing weight. The ingredients which are required to prepare this bitter gourd juice are bitter gourds, salt, turmeric powder and lemons. Let me take one bitter gourd, or one big sized bitter gourd is also fine, or 2-3 bitter gourds are also fine. First, before you use it, you should wash the bitter gourds with water and pat it dry with a towel. So first you need to peel the skin off just to reduce the bitterness. Okay, the skin is completely peeled now. I need to chop the bitter gourd into pieces. I have got my bitter gourd chops ready. I am taking a bowl and I am adding some water into it. Basically it is a salt water, so I am adding a pinch of salt into it just to reduce the bitterness, and we have to wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the bitter gourd chops into juicer and add some water into it so it will not be a very thick paste. So we have got bitter gourd smoothie, and I need to filter it since we are preparing juice. And our bitter gourd juice is ready, but I'm adding a pinch of salt into it just to reduce the bitterness and adding some taste to it, and also a pinch of turmeric powder and few drops of lemon into it just to add the taste and reduce the bitterness. Stir it. Take a glass and pour the juice into the glass. Our bitter gourd juice is ready. 50 to 100 ml of bitter gourd juice is suggested for diabetic patients as per the experts per day. Though it is not tasty, it is always fine to have once in a while. Thank you so much for watching our health recipe. Hope you all liked it. Do like and subscribe to our Boldsky page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Please drop your comments. Thank you.